Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to know how many words in a document. So we have these example documents, and if you want to know how many words in this document, you can go to the left bottoms. There are words option. Okay, you can see the document has 303 words. If you click, there are more detail for the word count like words in it 303. You can see again another like character no space with space, paragraph, and lines. You also can sort, like I will sort at this paragraph, and you can see the view will be set into 68. So the words in this selection about 68. If you click again, will be show the detail of the selected paragraph. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to know how many words in a document. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.